Floating row covers keep flying pests off plants by creating a physical barrier that still lets light, water, and air through. Floating row covers are lightweight, permeable fabrics designed to drape directly over crops or to be supported on low hoops to create a tented barrier that excludes insects while allowing sunlight and rainfall to penetrate. Choose a fabric with a mesh size small enough to block the target pest while maintaining adequate airflow to avoid heat buildup. For many aphids, whiteflies, and flea beetles, a fine mesh comparable to a fabric labeled for insect exclusion works well. Cut covers to extend at least a foot past the planting edge on all sides so you can bury or weigh the edges to prevent insects from crawling or being blown under. When installing over hoops, space supports every 2 to 3 feet to prevent fabric sagging onto foliage, which can cause contact damage and reduce airflow. Remove covers during flowering for crops that require insect pollination or perform hand pollination using a small brush or by gently shaking blossoms. For crops that are self-pollinating like lettuce and beets, you can leave covers in place through the season. Regularly lift the fabric and inspect the underside for trapped pests or for signs of disease. Trapped pests can multiply quickly, so remove or treat them immediately and replace the cover after confirming the problem is resolved. 3 common mistakes are using fabric with too tight mesh that reduces airflow and causes heat stress, failing to secure the edges so insects crawl underneath, and leaving covers on during bloom, which prevents pollination. Use a fabric rated for insect exclusion but designed for horticultural use to balance protection and ventilation. Anchor edges by burying them in a shallow trench or using heavy weights placed along the perimeter to maintain a continuous barrier. For pollination issues, either remove covers during peak bloom for a few days or hand pollinate daily until pollination is complete. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like installing floating row covers and other garden pest exclusion solutions. We help homeowners find local professionals and allow contractors to list services and find leads. And we also host a discussion community where users share tips, troubleshooting, and real-world experiences.